Chicago screws, also known as screw posts, are a great alternative to snaps and rivets. Look how nice that domed head looks. The screw post can be either permanent or removable. To make it permanent, drop some Leathercraft cement along the threads in the post or some Loctite. Then assemble it and tighten the screw. This will prevent the screw from backing out. On a dog collar, you'd want those Chicago screws to be permanent. But on a belt, you may want those screw posts to be removable in case you want to switch the belt buckle. On a rifle sling, you'd want that screw post to be removable so you can detach the sling from the rifle swivel. These screw posts are extremely strong, being made of solid brass. Solid brass is also available in a nickel finish. Depending on your leather thickness, choose from a variety of lengths such as a 1/4 inch post, a 3/8 inch post, or a 1/2 inch tall post. If your screw post is too short to tighten with the screw, you can thin the leather around the hole with a skiving tool. To tighten a Chicago screw firmly, the screw post must be shorter than the total thickness of your leather pieces. If your screw post is too long, you can choose a smaller post length. If you don't have a smaller length post, or if the neck size is too short, listen to this next option. If your screw post is too long for the thickness of your leather, you need to bulk up your leather thickness. And that's easy to do. Take a piece of scrap leather and cut out a leather washer shape with a utility knife, a leather shear, or a round hole punch. Next, take a dry punch and punch a hole that is going to be a snug fit around the post. And there's your leather washer, which you can put on the outside of your leather or in between the two pieces. I'm going to show you how easy it is to fasten a screw post. Put the screw post into the hole, into the second hole. This screw post is a bit too long for the thickness of the leather. You can see it's almost flush with the top of the leather. Ideally, the screw post should be a bit shorter than the total thickness of the leather, so when you put the screw in, you can get a nice tight fit. But that's easy to fix. I'm going to bulk up the thickness of the leather with a leather washer. Now when I put it into the hole, you can see it's quite a bit below the surface of the leather. Put the screw in, and I tighten it with an Allen wrench, also known as a hex key, or most people have a flat blade screwdriver at home which they can use to fasten it. Now as I fasten it, I'm holding the domed head with my finger to keep it from turning. Oh yeah, look how nice and tight that fit is now. There it is, a beautiful set screw post, also known as the Chicago screw. Check out our Chicago screw posts and other Leathercraft supplies at www.leathersmithdesigns.com.